مشاهدينا الكرام، أهلا وسهلا فيكم بحلقة جديدة من حلقاتنا الأسبوعية رواد الأعمال. ومثل ما عودناكم في كل حلقة أن نستضيف رجلا مميز، ومن زاوية رجال الأعمال والسبيشال بيزنس مان رحبوا معي بالمستر رجيش، الأونر لشركة سي فاشن كومباني. بداية good afternoon Mr. Rajesh.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ahmed.
Thank you so much. Mr. Rajesh, in the first I want to meet you and let the viewers also knows about your professional life when you came here to UAE, how you started your own business. تفضل.
Thank you for Sama TV for giving me this opportunity. We have roots from in Emirat. My father came here in 1960.
MashaAllah.
So, but that time there were hardly any universities, so I did my college in India, and then I came here in 1988. I started in Al Ain. My father had a shop there on Shara Zawazat. But after 1 year, the building got demolished, and then we moved to Dubai, and then I started my first shop in 1989 in Dubai in a textile wholesale. And today is 31 years I'm in Dubai and doing business in textiles, fashion,
Yes.
brand distribution, and also IT. So,
MashaAllah, very good. So Mr. Rajesh, let us to knows and the viewers also about C Fashion, about the services, the special fashion that you have here in your special company.
C Fashion Gallery I started in 2007. So we were in Jumeirah in a villa on the Jumeirah street. C Fashion is the one-stop fashion solution company today, and we do couture, we do ready-to-wear, evening wear, mostly for Arab markets, mostly for GCC, and most of our clients are from Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Saudi. And so it's a one-stop solution. So we do textiles, we design our own fabrics, we design our own collection, we have haute couture, we also do ready-to-wear collection for evening, kutuba, abayas and jalabiyas for Ramadan. And in C Fashion Gallery we also have a brand distribution division where we have almost 30 international brands from US and Europe, including UK, and then we distribute for the Middle East. To e-commerce companies, to departmental stores, multi-brand store, and we also do private label manufacturing here, which is we produce for other brands under their label, in the white label. We do the designing, production and everything, and then we produce on the label. So it's a complete fashion solution today.
Fashion, yes, yes, very good. So Mr. Rajesh, now let the viewer also know about how you make yourself special here in this kind of fashion and different than others, because you know that Dubai here, it's a big market and it's not easy to success in our life, in our business. So what's the reason make you special and different? And also, tell me.
See, from beginning I started my business. I had only one policy, and that we still follow, and all our group companies they follow. You have to understand what customer wants. How do I solve their problem? Be in a lady who wants to have a dress for evening where she wants to go for a party, or to another retailer or another brand or any customer whom we service. Basic principle is, how can I solve his problem? How can I make sure his life is easier? How can I make sure he makes profit out of us? Or how can we make sure they are happy with the experience of dealing with us? So keeping that in mind, we always design all our products, we always design all our businesses, we always done business in that way. That's why our relationship, business today is not about just selling something and making money. It's all about building relationship. So we have built the relationships over the period of last 30 years with all our suppliers, our customers, our bankers, our brands, and it's all about relationships. So we believe in relationships, and that's how we build the business, and then it becomes more like our business ecosystem which we create, rather than just looking at the customers and how do I make money out of it and how do I kill my customer and make maximum money. So it's not about that. It's about how do I solve your problem? I'm there. And how do they trust us? And then we build up on that, and that's how we do the business.
Of course. So Mr. Rajesh, as a good businessman, what's your plan in the future? What's your vision as a businessman? And let us to know, and the viewers, if you have other line of work, like other companies, and talk about this thing later.
See, I started with fashion, and fashion is my passion. I used to design fabrics and design all the designs and all. And we today C Fashion Gallery in itself is a world's first fully integrated fashion company. And then from fashion, we moved into IT, into cloud business in 2015. So I have another company called Cloud Host Technology. Idea was, and then I started this progression since last 4-5 years. How do I make this business future ready? How do I make this business which is ready to face the future, which is going to be more digital, more for the millennials. My kids were growing up, my son was growing up. I wanted to have a business where they can identify and join the business and take it further. So that's how we diversified into different divisions and different businesses, which are like more digital. We are going towards more e-commerce. We are going towards creating our own digital platform, also not only in our tech and cloud business, but also in our fashion business. So that's the process we started 4 years before. And today, during COVID, when everybody is scrambling for a new way of doing business, how do I change myself? Because we have been doing it for last 3-4 years, we know, we understood what's the business future going to be. So we didn't have to change anything for COVID. We are continue to do what we are doing. There was no changes which were done. We didn't fire anybody, and we made our business future ready. So that's why today we are doing what we are doing before. And today with COVID, we are able to cope up with more resilience than many people could, because we are already doing it over the last couple of years.
Of course,
Yeah.
of course, mashallah. So we hope for you really from our side to grow more and more and to be in a high level, Mr. Rajesh.
Thank you.
And now we will let the viewers where we are now in Dubai to contact the company, where we are now in Dubai.
C Fashion Gallery is based in Dubai Design District. That's a TCOM project, and which was announced by His Highness in 2015. They gave this project and wanted to make a hub for fashion. I was one of the first one to come in and take the place here. So today Design District is a hub for fashion. All the big brands and big companies, those who are into fashion related, they are here. And people from all over the world, now they know this place. And in this place we have C Fashion Gallery. And regarding other business of textiles, which is in Dubai, which is a textile market, it's called Rajesh Trading Company. And our IT business is in Business Bay. So
very good, very good. So my dear viewers, the contact number down of our screen with the locations and the website for Mr. Rajesh companies. Now, Mr. Rajesh, you know that we are living here in UAE country, the first country in the world have the safety and security, and you know more than me because 31 years are you here. So we have to thank the leaders and the rulers from your side, and especially Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed, the president of UAE.
yeah. Of course, we are here, our life spent here. My father came 1960, even before UAE was. So we believe in the country. We are thankful to the leaders. Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, his father, Sheikh Zayed, who was father of the nation.
Yes.
And we were there under his leadership before, and now under the leadership of Sheikh Khalifa. And also for Dubai, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. The kind of leader today, I would say the kind of businessman I am today, it's more to do with the leadership rather than who I am. Leadership evolved our business because we know how forward thinking they are. We know what they have plans for the future for Dubai. And that got me thinking, like, if I don't change with the way Dubai is changing, my business and me will not be relevant anymore here. So what Dubai was doing, or the leadership was doing for this country, make it move forward, the best country in the world, we were changing our business, keeping with the vision and the direction that the country was going, because we have to go with the flow. And that's why we are today, thanks to the leadership, that we are safe. My kids are safe here, family is safe, we have the best of education, we have best of security. And the way they have handled this COVID situation in this, it's one of the best countries in the world to be during this crisis, the way that everything has been managed. It can only happen in this country. It's amazing the way they have been done. We feel so safe and secure, and continue to live our life with utmost security and safety and peace of mind.
Of course, and from our channel as well, we will thank our leaders and the rulers about what they given us, and we will thank you, Mr. Rajesh, to accept us here in your special company. Inshallah, we will see you always in a high level and success for your life.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
مشاهدينا الكرام، إلى هنا نختم حلقتنا لهذا الأسبوع. تابعونا Friday and Saturday in Samalayan TV and social media. دمتم بخير وفي أمان الله.